सामीन किराम, ये आप सल्लल्लाहु अलैहि वसल्लम का वो खुतबा है कि जिसमें ज़िंदगी की सारी तालीमात मौजूद हैं। मैं आपसे गुजारिश करूँगा कि जो अहबाब इसकी अरबी नहीं जानते वो एक बार ज़रूर इसकी उर्दू के अंदर इसका तर्जुमा सुने। खुतबा हज्जतुल विदा के नाम से नेट वगैरह पे मिल जाता है। So now let's move to English. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has given us the most merciful prophet. We can judge his mercy by looking at a story when he came back to Mecca as a conqueror. So what did he do? Did he take revenge? Did he kill them? Did he humiliate them? No, not at all. He said to them all, "Go, you are free. Go, you are free." So it is much needed to understand that we should differentiate between a religion and people. If a person commits a bad act, we shouldn't blame the religion that he follows. We should blame a person who commits that sin. But unfortunately, European people, European countries, European leaders, whenever they want, they commit blasphemy against our beloved Prophet Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam. So I want to give a message to them all that, oh European leaders, be careful, be careful, be careful. It was the last moment that you could commit blasphemy against our beloved Prophet. Inshallah subhanahu wa ta'ala, these leaders will come and conquer those European countries. Say all inshallah. So now I would like to call a student from English department. His name is Ikrama, to come here and tell us the differences that our beloved Prophet has made in his history. So Muhammad Ikrama.
Alhamdulillah alladhi hadana lil Islam wa ja'alana min ummati Muhammadin sallallahu alayhi wa sallam, wa nashhadu an la ilaha illa Allah wahdahu la sharika lah, wa ashhadu anna sayyidana wa maulana Muhammad sallallahu alayhi wa sallam abduhu wa rasuluhu. Amma ba'd. It is a great chance for me to be here and talk about my Prophet Muhammad Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam. Before I start, I would like to say Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Dear listener, 1400 years ago, the world was surrounded with darkness. The people were treated as slaves. Here and there, the girls were buried alive into the graves. Mothers of those children were bursting, killing people and destroying who humanity was. Simple thing. Yes, as we know, if the shame is done by sinking, nothing, so the edge of humanity is flown away. This was the condition of the Arabs. Not only Arabs, but this was causing the darkness to get more darker. The world was covered with no justice. Nothing was caring to the man. The cruelness was about to end. And the human was not acted as a human, but eventually as the animal. So in this condition, a lighting appears and spears all of the darkness. Through this lighting, darkness gets away and brightness spread in all sides of the world. Yes, this audience, as in the home of Abdullah, our beloved Muhammad Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam was born, the worldwide spread coolness gets away. In this way, Muhammad Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam starts praying the God. He starts obeying the orders of Allah. After being revealed first time, Rasoolullah Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam starts preaching Islam. The man who was Sadiq Amin, after preaching Islam, after being revealed, was known as magician and mad. But trying is better than crying. Mr. President, how many problems, trials, opportunities, perplexities came in his way, but he and his companions did not lose the hopes and powers as in Quran came. Muhammadur Rasulullah walladhina ma'ahu washidda'u 'alal kuffari rahama'u bainahum tarahum ruk'an sujada. And after uncountable sacrifices, Islam is front of us. But today we have forgotten the ahkam of Allah, forgotten the sunnah of Rasulullah Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam. Even we don't know about the good deeds. In the end, I would like to conclude my speech by saying that if we want to get succeed in the world, the day of judgment, so we have obeyed the sunnah of Rasul, the ahkam of Allah. and do good deeds, believe in Allah and good deeds. Thank you so much.